Hi friends, hi family. Diana Gaddis here, Savvy Florida agent. Boy, do I have a property here for you. This property is a golden property. It is located in the beautiful city of Cape Coral, Florida. This is a move-in ready home. This is a vacation property ready home. It is ready for you to come here for your second home as your vacation property, as your resort property. It is ready for rentals. It is ready for whatever you desire. You need to give me a shout out and give me a call. So this property boasts of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It is listed for $725,700. And boy, is it gorgeous. Look, we have a wonderful 2-car garage. Look at this entryway as we go up. Oh, look at the landscaping. I just love the landscaping. You know, up here we have the stones. It is just a beaut. Gorgeous door. Look at this as we go in. We have an open room concept. Absolutely. Kitchen, like I said, move-in ready home. Vacation rental ready. Right? We have a built-in pool. Beautiful kitchen. Nice appliances. Go this way. And we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Yep, bathtub, shower. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go this way. And these bedrooms are spacious. And you know what? If you wanted to make this a 4-bedroom home or a 3-bedroom home with an office space, you can do that very easily. And I will show you. And look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Nice natural lighting, windows. So here we go. There's a double door here, right? And 2 closets. So actually, it looked like there was a wall here. There could be a wall here, or this can be a nice large bedroom as it is. So you can actually separate this with a nice retaining wall to make it a 4th bedroom or a den or a office space. So now instead of a 3-bedroom home, we have a 4-bedroom home. Look at this open living area. Yep, again, nice dining area as well. It leads out. Yes, we'll go out there in a few minutes. Here we have the 2-car garage. Washer dryer out here in the garage. Yep. Beautiful home. Absolutely gorgeous. And here we have the master bedroom. Again, nice beautiful windows, walk-in closet. Look, a vanity